Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to start with another interesting story. So the story we are going to start today is Cow Takes a Bow. So let's start. Today the circus is in town. Hooray! Circus! Brown cow sets out to track it down. I'd like a seat, please, says Brown Cow. The tent is full. There is no room now. Here comes the boss. Cow sees him frown. Our clown's not here. He's let me down. I'll help, says Cow. Just show me how. No time, the boss cries. You are on now. Cow slips and trips. She tries some tricks, but drops the pies and spills the bricks. Her tricycle just spins around. Her trumpet makes a silly sound. Her juggling balls all hit the ground. Her hat flies off. Her pants fall down. Am I the biggest fool in town? It's all gone wrong. Brown cow flops down. Now she is the one who wears a frown. I'm sorry, I messed up, howls Cow. No, wait, the boss shouts. Don't go now. Listen, he says. The crowd shouts, wow. 3 cheers, bravo. Cow takes a bow. That's all for today. So I hope you have enjoyed the story session for today. If you like it, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more stories and updates. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.